Hi everybody. A couple people have asked me how I play certain of my songs, and so I thought what I would do is begin a series of videos that I'm calling How to Play Robb's Songs Like Robb. So the first one I'm going to do is one of my latest compositions. It's called Another 50. It was written on the mandolin. You don't have to play it on the mandolin. The chords that I am playing will appear somewhere up there, so that you can figure out how to play it yourself. And the lyrics will most likely be down there in the comments, or down there in the description anyway. So let's try this. Let's see if I can play it without messing it up. Okay, once more with feeling. Oh yeah, and turn on the, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sunday passed, Tuesday too. She wondered, where had Monday gone? She woke at last, scraped her eyes and said, I really should go home. Stepped outside, the sun's too bright, the sand too shifty. The train rolled on, windows glared, the seat so hard and cold. Her dragons had flown off nowhere. She said it feels like getting old. Shields her eyes 'cause the sun's so bright and the sand's so shifty. Paid the price and move along. Here's another 50. Yeah. Riding autopilot through her motions. The day flowed down on needles with devotion. Stepped outside, the sun's still so bright, the sand's still so shifty. She paid the price and moved along. Here's another 50. Took a step, slid back a bit, 'cause the sand's still so shifty. Paid that price, it seems so unfair. It's always another 50. Thanks. Thanks for watching.